Good morning, first graders. Ms. Kyler here with the Number Corners. As always, I need for you to make a prediction for today's calendar card. Let's go ahead and see if your prediction was correct. Did you predict that there would be a puzzle box on our calendar card for today? Let's go ahead and take a closer look at that calendar card. So we see that a puzzle box is shaped like a rectangular prism. This is my rectangular prism I have at home with me. So now we know when we describe or when we talk about our 3D shapes, we have three very important words: edge, face, and vertex. So let's go ahead and see how many edges we have on a rectangular prism. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We have 12 edges on a rectangular prism. Now let's go ahead and see how many faces we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 faces on a rectangular prism. And lastly, let's see how many vertexes we have, or vertices, we have. We know that the vertices are the corners. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 vertices on our rectangular prism. Now, first graders, let's go ahead and say our date for today. And you know we always start with the day of the week. And today is Wednesday, December 16th, 2020. Let's say that together one more time. Today is Wednesday, December 16th, 2020. So, first graders, let's go ahead and say our days of the week together. And we always start with Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And we know from our calendar that today is Wednesday. Great job. Now read with me, first graders. Yesterday was. What was yesterday? Tuesday. Great job. So let's read together. Tomorrow will be. What will tomorrow be? Tomorrow will be Thursday. Great job. Now, first graders, let's go ahead and say our months of the year. And you know that we always start with our first month, which is January, and we go all the way to our current month, which is now December. So let's go ahead and say our months of the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. So we see that December is the 12th month of the year. Now let's go ahead and write our date two different ways. We know that December is the 12th month of the year. And we know that today is the 16th. And now we're going to write the year, but you know your teacher, and I'm only going to write the last two digits, that 2 and that 0. And now I'm going to write the abbreviation for December. Bring down my 16 because it's the 16th day of December, comma, all four digits, 2020. So first graders, you know that this is my favorite part of our number corners because it tells us how many days we have been working and growing and learning together. On yesterday, we were at 69 days. Today is a brand new day, so I'm going to add one more square. But wait a minute, the whole column is full, so that means we have another group of 10. Let me cover that whole column. Wow, so now we have 7 groups of 10, and we know 7 groups of 10 makes 70. we can count by tens to make sure. So let's just double check. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So here's how we write the two-digit number 70, and here's how we spell the word 70. And we know that this is still a two-digit number. There is a number in the tens place, which is 7, and there is a number in the ones place, which is 0. And yeah, Miss Kyler kept going with my fun large equations because you can handle it. So Miss Kyler has broken it into columns, and I still have my tens. I have 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. 7 tens equals 70. And then I now have 2 reds, so that's 20, plus 2 blues, and that's another 20, plus 2 greens, and 1 yellow. So 20 plus 20 plus 20 plus 10 equals 70. And we know that 7 tens makes 70 plus 0 ones. 70 plus 0 equals 70. So first graders, you know all of December we have been collecting hours in a day. On yesterday, we saw that our hour hand was pointing to the 11 and our minute hand was pointing to the 12, which gave us 11 o'clock. Let's go ahead and collect one more hour for today. We now see that both the hour hand and the minute hand are back onto the 12. So now it is officially midnight according to our timeline. We are back to midnight. So let's go ahead and write that on our digital clock. And I'm going to go ahead and add my AM or PM because that's the PM section. And now I'm going to go ahead and draw both my hour and minute hand. Now let's collect our very last hour of the day. We have collected a total of 24 hours. That is how many hours we have in each day. Now let's go ahead and look at an activity that we might do during our day. We see that the little boy has a book in his hand. It looks like he has on his pajamas. And, oh, I can see stars and the moon outside. Would this be the AM part of our day where he's getting ready to get in the bed? Or would that be our PM section of our day? Yeah, it would totally be our PM section of the day. He's getting ready to head to bed. So now, my first graders, I want for you to get ready to close this video. Click that button and start on your Class Kick assignment, and I will see you tomorrow in our next Number Corners video. Bye-bye.